margi biro chakore tarik 22 dweni kalure gi okang' mar piny owacho kod ten migao mar thieth koso chopo singo margi. Koloso e kinde romo margi kod lakteche e kaunti ma Kakamega, jagoro maduong' Davji Atela olero ni lwasi mar tich ok osebedo makare. Omenda manochwal ne lakteche mag jopuonjre kata interns podi ok oromo kendo sara margi osebedo kadeko. Omedo ni gisetemo bago romo mar twak kod ten migao mar thieth kendo chal makamano pok onyago olemo.
That the rallying call for the strike of next week, the 22nd of December 2024 is on. And we are telling national government, we are telling county government that we have no time for boardrooms. We have no time for negotiation because we negotiated in 2023. We negotiated in 2024 during the 56-day strike. We have negotiated between May and now December. This is time of action. That we will leave our workstations and we will only come back when we see those letters of promotion. We will only come back when we see the money in our account because it has to be paid. We will only get back to work when the interns are paid as per the CBA.
The senior consultants in Kakamega County are condemning strongly the non-implemented promotions that are the stalled promotions that are there in this county. We did a strike notice some time back and sat with the government and did an agreement that was supposed to promote doctors in this county. But what happened is the common lies that are becoming the norm of this government. The government is always quick to give promises and to do return to work formulas and agreements that they are not going to implement.